Welcome to Sri Harshini Engineers Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the some Viva questions in flat slabs. These questions are very useful for your Viva or any type of interviews also. So this is the lecture series of civil engineering knowledge. Today's topic is flat slabs Viva questions. Before starting this session, I request you all ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం కానీ చూస్తున్నట్లయితే మా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని కూడా యాక్టివేట్ చేయడం ద్వారా మేము చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్గా రావడం జరుగుతుంది. Have you looked into the first question here? See the question. What is flat slab? What is flat slab? See the answer. A flat slab is a two-way reinforced concrete slab that usually does not have beams and girders, and the loads are transferred directly to the supporting concrete columns. This is the definition of the flat slabs. Okay. See the second question here. Thick end part of flat slab over its supporting column is technically known as. Answer is drop panel. That means thick end part of a flat slab over its supporting column is technically known as drop panel. The third question here. A flat slab is supported. Flat slab is supported on columns monolithically built with slab. Okay. Coming to next question here. Enlarged head of a supporting column of a flat slab is technically known as. Enlarged head of a supporting column of a flat slab is technically known as. See the answer here. Capital. Answer is capital. See the fifth question here. The diameter of column head support a flat slab is generally kept. Option is 0.25 times of the span length. Okay. Coming to next question. Critical section for shear in case of flat slab is at a distance of. Critical section for shear in case of flat slabs is at a distance of d/2 from periphery of column or capital or drop panel. Okay. So next question. In flat slab, drop are provided to resist shear stress. Okay. Coming to next question. As for IS 456-2000, minimum thickness of flat slab is not less than 125 mm. So as for IS code provision, thickness of flat slab should not be less than 125 mm. If you like this type of questions, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See the next question here. Define middle strip. So what is mean by middle strip? Middle strip is defined as a design strip bonded on each of its opposite sides by column strip. Okay. See the next question here. The design of flat slab by direct method, total moment shall be taken as. So moment formula Wm equal to Wln by 8. Next question. For a flat slab, circular support shall be treated as square supports having the same. So circular supports shall be treated as square supports having the same area. See the next question. At an interior support, The column strip shall be designed to resist dash percentage of the total negative moment. So at an interior support, the column strip shall be designed to resist dash percentage of the total negative moment and 75%. The span to effective depth ratio for flat slab are calculated on the basis of longer span. Okay, coming to next question here. The spacing of bar in flat slab should not be greater than 2 times of the slab thickness. The spacing of bar in flat slab should not be greater than 2 times the slab thickness. Next question. Provision of flat slab in place of slab beam construction benefits. Provision of flat slab in place of slab beam construction benefits such as reduction in story height, shorter construction time, easy formwork. These are the main benefits. Coming to next question. Drop for flat slab results in increasing shear strength, increased negative moment capacity, reduction of deflection. Okay. Next, column head results in increasing shear strength, reduce moment in slab by reducing effective span. Next, the drop shall have a length at least dash of panel length in that direction. See the answer here, 1/3. The drop shall have a length at least 1/3 of panel length in that direction. Okay. See the next question. In an interior span, negative design moment shall be distributed as dash proportions of total design moment 0.65%. Next, in an interior span, positive design moment shall be distributed as dash proportions of total design moment. So the remaining is 0.35%. Okay. These are the some important questions which is useful for your comprehensive Viva. If you feel the content in this video is useful for you, please do like my videos and subscribe my channel. Share these videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And don't forget to tap on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching.